तो आज we are celebrating this Bhogali Purabi Dairy. I have already told you that this Purabi Dairy is a corporate dairy of farmers and it is managed by professionals. And I would like to tell you that there is a vision of Honorable CM by 2029-30. We have a processing capacity of 10 lakh liters per day and 1,75,000 farmers will be associated with Purabi. And we have to form 4,000 dairy cooperative societies at village level. At present, I would like to inform you, we are collecting near about 1,60,000 liters of milk every day out of 1,500 dairy cooperative societies across Assam. And we are also selling this 1,60,000 milk at present. But however, our dairy capacity is only 1.5 lakh liters. So looking into the increase in milk procurement and milk sale, we are strengthening our dairy plant. Now our plant will be 3 lakh liters per day at Guwahati. Besides this, we have also set up a 20,000 liter per day dairy processing plant at Silchar, and it is in the verge of commissioning, but the last stage of commissioning, and within a few days it will be also commissioned in Barak Valley. Besides we are also taken over 2 dairy plants of 5,000 liter each at Jorhat and Dibrugarh. Both the plants have been commissioned and will start processing and packing milk and milk products at these small dairies. Three more large dairies are coming up. One dairy at 1 lakh liter per day at Dhemaji. One dairy is coming at 1 lakh liter dairy at coming up at Jorhat. 1 lakh liter dairy plant per day is coming up. Dairy plant is coming out of Dhemaji. So by 2029-30, we are working on that. Our processing capacity will be 10 lakh liters per day, and we'll be able to join 1,75,000 farmers with us. Purabi is committed for the development of the farmers. I have already told you that Purabi is always it is a farmers' body, it is a farmers' organization, and we are also committed. Our professions are always committed for the development of the farmers. Last year we had made a profit. Out of this profit, 3 crore rupees has been distributed directly to the farmers as additional milk price. And our cycle is like 10 days. We collect milk in 10 days and pay to the farmers direct to their account. And every 10 days now we are paying 7 crore rupees for every 10 days to the farmers. So it is and I also like to inform you, almost whatever our realization, milk and milk products, 80% is transferred to the farmers. So this is the organization where a major amount is transferred to the farmers. There is no such organization. We are collecting milk, as you know that, it is a cooperative body of the farmers. We are collecting milk in the morning, we are collecting milk in the evening, we are processing both the times and selling every day to the farmers. We are also committed to maintain the quality of the products. I think you must be using the Purabi products, because since it is a fresh product, so our quality is also better. And in recent years, you must be knowing that we are manufacturing so many value-added products. We have started this is the ice cream plant, 2,000 liter per dairy ice cream plant, and this is the only ice cream plant in Northeast. We are also started manufacturing indigenous products. This is Kalakand we are manufacturing, we are milk cake also we are manufacturing, and last year we have manufactured this flavored milks of different variants. So now we are trying to introduce new products also, because the high value products gives a better returns. If we get better returns, then we can give better returns to farmers, because we are trying our best. The farmers should get as much as we can pay, but it should not be less than 80%. It should be more than 80%. Besides this, we are also providing other facilities to farmers, like subsidy in the cattle feed. We are giving subsidy in the mineral mixtures also. Even any medicine or any vaccinations, Purabi also giving subsidy to the farmers. And we are also giving different volume incentives, lean incentive to our farmers. So once some farmers get benefited, they will purchase more animals and their livelihood will increase. And this is our motto. If farmers are strengthened, then our society will strengthen, Assam will strengthen on basis. So again, I wish.
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক আমাৰ এই নম্বৰত 9181 307 2221